Henan Yusai Precision Machinery Co., Ltd., was founded in 2003. It is a high-tech enterprise specializing in vinyl ester resin monolithically cast electrolytic cells, complete electrolysis systems, nitrogen oxide waste gas treatment units, and other large-scale environmental protection equipment, integrating R&D, design, manufacturing, and technical services. Its products are widely used in the non-ferrous smelting industry and have been successfully exported to India, the United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, Kazakhstan, Myanmar, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and many other countries and regions. Since its establishment, Henan Yusai has adhered to energy saving and environmental protection as its mission. Featuring technological innovation, it actively promotes the continuous upgrade of technical standards and green development in the industry. Its independently developed vinyl ester resin monolithically cast electrolytic cell technology and process focuses on the hydrometallurgical electrolysis system. At the same time, it marks a qualitative leap for Henan Yusai environmental protection. From a single equipment provider to a leading supplier of comprehensive solutions for electrolysis system equipment, technology, and processes, Henan Yusai rode the momentum to push its comprehensive electrolysis system solutions to the global market. To make new and even greater contributions to the non-ferrous metals sector,